Hey, what's going on, guys? So I wanted to do a quick review on this folding camping chair that I bought. I ordered it off of Amazon, and the reason that I went with this one was because, well, initially I bought the chair because I wanted a something kind of compact and easy to carry around for when I go to the beach. And I went with this one because it seemed like it fit the bill, and plus I was told that this chair here, the way that the feet are, they don't sink into the sand. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and put it together and see what I think. So go ahead and open this bad boy up. So it's kind of cool. It comes in a nice little carry case that'll be real convenient when I go to the beach. I could just carry this. I mean, that's exactly what I was looking for, something very convenient like that. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, there, I put them in the box. Yeah, these are the feet. And the feet come off, so. And this is why they don't sink into the sand, because they're circular. That's pretty smart. Pretty creative design there. Because a lot of times you get those folded chairs and you just get the regular pull legs and you just go right to the sand, but obviously these are made for that, so he was right. So go ahead and open up this case here. Looks fancy looking. Unravel this. The material seems really sturdy. I like that. And then here are the legs here. Let's see how this thing works. Now, I have no idea how this goes. I'm not looking at any directions. It just seems to all just be falling into place here. Alright. So I would imagine that these here are where the feet go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put, well, actually I'll put the feet on last. I don't know. But if that's where the feet goes, then that means it goes like that. Okay. So it goes like this. Let me go ahead and turn this down a little bit. So this is the feet, like that. And I guess that says fruit team, so I imagine that has to be facing up. And then you see it has these little grooves in the back here. You just slip the poles right into there. See, how does this go? Like I said, I've never done this before, so I'm gonna take this out, put that in. Now I'm going to close this leg back in. See if that goes in easy like that. Oh, you know what? I was wrong. Alright, so this is how it goes. This part right here is where the butt goes, obviously. So if that's where the butt goes, then that must mean that the fruit team logo should just be on the side. So put that there. Put that one there. And now it reaches. Okay, so that's what I did wrong. I had it wrong. If you look in there. One thing I can say, this thing is very sturdy. Very sturdy and very strong. So, that's that. Very easy to put together. It kind of like just fell in place. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put these legs on. So, I guess you gotta take these off to put the legs on, maybe. I don't know, okay, yeah. So, these little feet right here, you just slide them off. I thought they screwed or something, but you just slide them right off. All right, so I got these things off. They're a little bit difficult to take off at first, but now that they're off. And then if you want the sand ones, then you just, those just pop it in like that. And then you can just put them all in the bag. These pop in real easy. And that's that. And you got your chair, so whether it's 4th of July, you want to go check out the fireworks, whatever. Got your chair. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect. And I feel safe, I feel sturdy. And I'm 6'2", and this feels fine. I can lean back, I can chill. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Just what I wanted, something portable, something sturdy. Take it to the beach, and your legs won't sink into the sand, like I said. And super easy to put together. So overall, I'm happy with my purchase.